Okay, we have a Trak 2-axis CNC and manual flatbed lathe, model 1630SX, made by Southwestern Industries. We're going to run it for you. It's Trak SLX control, serial number 081CH16153. The machine is new in 2008. Right now the spindle is running. It is super quiet. 250. It goes up to 2500 RPM. 750. You have 16-inch swing by 30-inch centers. You have 8.6-inch swing over the cross slide. 1100 RPM. This machine has a 6-jaw buck chuck on it. All right, he's wrapping it with the joystick, which you can see on the digital readout as well. That's your Z. Now he's moving the X. Both axes are quiet. You also have hand wheels, which are pulse generators. There you go. Electronic hand wheels. That's course. There you go. X and Z. That's the Z. Machine has a tailstock. Tailstock's number 4 Morse taper. Hardened and ground bedways. All right. Hey, thank you for watching our video.